svima. Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn how to say how in Croatian. Kako, how, kako. Kako si? How are you? Kako si? Dobro sam. I'm good, I'm well. If you want to say something different, you could say odlično sam. I'm great. Nisam dobro. I'm not well. Nisam dobro. Nisam, I'm not. Nisam dobro. I'm not well. Kako radiš ovo? How do you do this? Radim ovo polako. I do this slowly. Tako radim ovo. That's how I do this. Polako, slowly. Kako radiš ovo? How do you do this? Gledam I učim. I watch and I learn. Gledam, I watch, and učim, I learn. Kako radiš ovo? How do you do this? Učim korak po korak. I learn step by step. Učim, I learn, korak po korak, step by step. Tako radim ovo. That's how I do this. Tako radim ovo. We learned how to say how in Croatian. Kako. Vidimo se uskoro. We'll see each other soon.